Okay, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa la ma ba'du. So today I want to make a tutorial video about Cisco packet tracer. Again, this is about CCNA, and now we are talking about redistribute with routing. So we are going to do OSPF and then EIGRP at the same time, and they are going to be connected to one each other with redistribute. So here basically we are going to just demonstrate you a few things that you need. First thing first, you have to got 3 routers, no matter which one the routers, but I'm going to pick the ESR 4331. I'm going to put 3 of them, one in the middle and then one there. And then we are going to use 2 devices, PC. I'm going to use 2 on both of them. Now we are going to use an automatic cable, first on the PCs and then go into the routers. So here are just some of the topology that I have, and we actually doesn't need to put the dividing, so I'm just going to put this just to make it looks better. I'm going to give some signs that what is this and what is that, and here and then blue. I'm going to make this blue, and then right on this there. Okay, so I'm just going to give some notes. This is going to be EIGRP 100 with IP 992.168.10.0/24, and it's going to be OSPF 200 with 992.168.20.0/24, and the ways to the backbone are going to be 1010 and 2020. So here is going to be 1010, 10 10 10 1 2, and 20 20 21 2. Okay, now we are going to start by giving some configuration to the first router on the EIGRP or the green side. We're going to enter, and then it goes to CLI, and here we are going to answer no. And after that we are going to enable conf as usual, and we're going to no shutdown of the ports first, 0 in range, gig 0031, no shutdown, and then in gig 000. We're going to give them IP address 192.168.1.255.255.255.0, and then at the gig 001 is at the road IP add 10.10.10.1. Oh, forgot the 255. I'm sorry. 255.255.255.0. And we're going to start on the route EIGRP 100 network 10.10.10.0.000.255 as the white card, and then net 192.168.10.000.255 as the white card again. Now to summary, and then we're done. Going to the next router, and here no, and then we're going to enable first, I forgot, conf in range gig 0001, no shutdown. And then first thing first is at the 00 at the EIGRP in gig 000. We're going to give IP address 192 I forgot 10 10 10 2 255 255 255.0. Oh, what's wrong? IP I'm sorry, it's too much. 10 10 2 255 255 255.0, and then in the gig 001 IP add 20 20 21 255 255 255.0. And here I'm going to go on the EIGRP, so root EIGRP 100 network at 10.10.10.0 to 0.0.0.255, and then now, and then we're going to try on the redistribute, but we're going to do it later. So here we haven't made the OSPF yet, so in root OSPF 200 net 20.20.20.0.0.0.255 area 0 of backbone, and then we are going to redistribute EIGRP 100 and then subnets, and then on the root EIGRP 100 we are going to read OSPF 200 metric 11111. Right. And now we are going to answer at the third router CLI no, and then enable conf inra gig 0061 no shutdown, and then in gig 000 is on the on the device IP at 192.168.20.1.255.255.255.0, and then in gig 0001 is IP at 20.20.20.2 255.255.255.0, and then going to root OSPF 200 network 192.168.20.0.0.0.255. Oh yeah, area backbone area 0, and then net 20.20.20.0.0.0.255 area 0, and then we are going to give the IP address on all of the PCs over here. Going to desktop, IP configuration 192.168.10.2, and then default gateway is on 192.168.10.1, and then going to the next PC3 desktop 192.168.20.2, default gateway 192.168.20.1. And then we can now do ping on both PCs between PC and EIGRP 100 and PC and OSPF 200, PC to PC3. At first, the ICMP ping has status fail, but if you refresh, it is successful. So we have done our redistribute routing tutorial. Actually, there is one thing that we haven't added, which is the loopback, but it's actually only for identifying the router. So how do you even do that? So going to the exit, this is in low 0, and then no shutdown, IP at 1111, and then 255, 255, 255, 255. So remember, it's 255, 255, 255. If I'm not correct, let me check myself first. Yes, I guess it's on. Yeah, 255. And then this one as well, in low, no shutdown, IP at 222, 255, 255, 255, 255. And then going on this one last, in low, no shutdown, in IP at 333, 255, 255, 255, 255. And what's so important is actually to make it inside of your OSPF configuration. So net 3330.0.0.0.255. Forgot area 0, right? And as well here in root OSPF 200, we're going to add the network of 222.0.0.0.255 and area 0, and root EIGRP 100 at network 222.2 to 0000255, and then network. Is it done? No. Alright, and as well this root EIGRP 100, GRP 100, and then add the network of 11100000255, and that's all you have, identifying all of your routers, each of them. So we show IP route. As you can see over here, they are all connected with one each other. 2, 3, 1, all of them are on the routing. So yeah, I mean that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.